Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. And click on little icon of a microphone at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now you need to select voice typing section in keyboard settings. And click on gray sweater next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. As you can see, microphone icon is now visible. To start typing, click on it. And if you never used this option before, click on while using the app or only this time. After seeing Speak Now command, start typing. When you finished, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!